Colleagues, two of the biggest issues that people can't stand about us elected officials are when they say one thing and do another, and when they abuse their power to protect their friends. According to a recent piece in the Detroit News, our Attorney General did both. A friend of the AG, who happens to be the treasurer of the Democratic Party, was accused last year by the director of a West Michigan nursing home of using the account of an elderly, brain-damaged client to fraudulently bill an insurance company nearly $50,000. After the accusation came out, the Attorney General opened an investigation. The AG promised not to intervene, and her Financial Crimes Division director, who was rightfully concerned about the obvious conflict of interest, sent a memo to staff, letting them know he was constructing an ethical firewall to distance the AG from the investigation. But according to her own emails, our Attorney General blasted through the file anyway. It was quicker than Chase running through a brick wall trying to save another puppy on Paw Patrol. She emailed her Solicitor General saying that her friend, quote, and I quote you, wants to be able to assert that the claims were never substantiated by our investigation and that the case was closed, unquote. 2 weeks later, it was closed, even though the AG's investigation never spoke to the whistleblower who filed the complaint. Imagine our police accusing people and not asking the witnesses what happened. In response yesterday, the AG's office said, and their decision was made without any influence or consult from Attorney General Nessel. Really? She emailed her Solicitor General indicating the wishes of her friend, the subject of the investigation. If we can't agree that's an improper consult, or at least a break of the department's own firewall, then we may never agree on anything ever again. I don't know if the AG's friend did anything wrong at all. I don't know. I'm not accusing her of anything. But it's shameful that our Attorney General, who often talks the big game about the rule of law, couldn't stay out of the case and broke her own promise. It further illustrates that she lives by two sets of rules, one for her Democratic friends and one for everybody else. Thank you.